So yes, it's finally arrived. The plaque, 100,000 subscribers. This actually happened back in May 2018. I made a whole series starting calisthenics the best way, every progression you need, as well as programs of how to get started with calisthenics. And I said thank you then, and I just want to reiterate how thankful and grateful I am to all of you, your support, your message on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, comments, everything. Just subscribing, staying around for the journey. I still can't believe that I get to call making YouTube videos and coaching and doing this sort of stuff my job. I'm so psyched to be able to do it, and very, very grateful. So thank you again. You guys are awesome. I really do appreciate it. I was actually gonna make this video of a vlog of my personal experience in the fitness industry, doing this as a job for the past 2 years, because it was 2 years ago when I got my first ever client. And then also some frustrations with working in the fitness industry, but it kind of ended up with a little bit of a negative vibe at the end. And although I do have some frustrations with the fitness industry, and I'm sure everyone does, I wanted to make a positive video because, you know, we're now in a time where I think more and more people, probably the most amount of people ever, are aware and caring about their physical health in some way. And there's a quote that I really love and that kind of sums up my personal belief when it comes to training. And that is by Socrates. He says, "No man has the right to be an amateur in the matter of physical training. It is a shame for a man to grow old without seeing the beauty and strength of which his body is capable." And that for me sums it up perfectly. No matter what you're doing, for me personally, handstands, bodyweight training, flexibility stuff, like it's awesome. It's great to go from zero to be able to do whatever it is, X, Y, and Z that your goals are. No matter what you're doing, if you're doing this, or maybe you're doing CrossFit, bodybuilding, powerlifting, swimming, walking outside, I think the challenge of physical exercise, getting through a workout, pushing yourself, doing all these things, and I'm realizing that you are stronger, less fragile than you think. I think that's probably one of the best things that you can do for your overall mental health, whether that comes down to more self-love, more self-confidence, all of these sort of things. I personally experienced it, and I know loads of people who have as well. You know, it's just great. And for me personally, thinking that, you know, if I can reach out to, I think now 190 odd thousand people, and maybe I give them one tip that means that they get, you know, they can touch their toes for the first time, or they can do a handstand, or, you know, they're working towards the front splits, the middle splits, all of those good stuff. I'm just so grateful that I'm in the position where I can help. That's kind of why I did this channel. I do it for fun. I always did it as a hobby. It's still a hobby in my eyes. It's something I love to do, and I'm lucky enough to call my job. So thank you everyone for listening to my ramblings over the past almost 4 years now. I hope you stay around a lot longer. I'm still gonna be here making these videos. I'm gonna end this video there on a positive note. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, if you wanna chime in on anything, leave your opinion on the fitness industry, leave it in the comment section down below. I may respond with a full video on the fitness industry. If you wanna see it, I'll do it. But otherwise, I'll leave it there. If you just enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button and support the channel. You can also hit that subscribe button like the other 190,000 people on this channel. Still can't believe I can say that. But that has been it for this week, guys. I'll catch you in the next episode. Have a strong week, and peace.